Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make Islamic art. To make Islamic art, you'll need a few simple things. You will need scissors, a pencil, a ruler, some colouring pencils, and obviously a piece of paper. Step 1. Take your A4 piece of paper and fold it so there's a triangle and a rectangle, like this. Step 2. With the scissors, cut off the rectangle. So there's only the big triangle left. After you've cut it out, unfold the piece of paper like this. So you should get a square of paper then. Fold the rectangle into two and then cut it out with the scissors. You should get a square. Like what you've done with the big square, do the same with the small square. Fold it into half. Make sure it's very careful and accurate. And then unfold it. And cut out the line like this. You should get two small triangles, but you only need one. After that, with your ruler, make small markings. The paper should be 21 centimeters, so you should make a marking at half, which, if you're not good at math, is 10 and a half. After that, your paper should look something like this, with small markings. Then, using your ruler, draw a very straight line. And do the same vertically. Fold it in half to make the triangle again, and then fold it in half again, but on the other side. So it should look a little bit like this. Then draw the lines on the markings and you should get 8 little triangles. Remember the triangle you cut out? That should be the exact size of the triangle you have on your paper. Then, on your small triangle, make some kind of word. You could use peace or joy or something happy, or even neon or colour. But the shorter, the better. Write it in bubble writing and in capital letters so it's easier to read. After you've finished tracing, yours should look a little bit like this. Neon on one side and neon on the other. Then, get it on your paper and very thoroughly trace it. Trace much and very hard so that in the end you can trace over it and you'll get the word on your paper. After you've traced it really hard on the paper, your paper should look like this. You can see the faint outlines, and so trace over them once more in pencil so that you can see them more clearly. Finally, after the last tracing in pencil, it should look a little bit like this. Keep doing this step over and over until you have 8 neons, or whatever your word is, written over again. You will need to trace up the back because when you are doing your second word, it will be like this. You will flip it from one side, where it's used, onto the other side, like this. So, that way it's easier.
Intermission.
I think that after all of that hard work, you deserve a little break. So please put your hands together for Cringy Jokes 101! Whoop whoop! Why was the artist scared that he would go to jail? Because he had been framed! Well, as sad as it is my unfortunate duty to tell you guys that that's the end of Cringy Jokes 101! Whoop whoop! But if you really like them, please tell me in the comments so I can include them in more videos. That's all.
Intermission and...
After a little while, this is what happened into neon. So, the last step is colouring. Colour in your shape, or word, any way you like, and make work you've put into it, your piece can look something like this. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and were able to produce an amazing piece of Islamic art. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to our channel.